In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files using Google Drive with no limits. If you've ever found yourself struggling to email large attachments, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and simplify the process of sharing those hefty files with Google Drive. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top left-hand side of the screen and click on the Compose button. This is where the magic begins, as it will allow us to attach and send our large file through Google Drive. As the Compose window opens, take a moment to recall the file or files you're hoping to send. Now, when you glance at the toolbar at the bottom of this Compose window, you'll notice a small Google Drive icon nestled among the other options. Click on this icon and Google Drive will pop up for you to interact with directly. In this new window, you'll see an option labeled Upload. Go ahead and select it. This step is essential because it creates the pathway for you to import your large file into Google Drive, making it easy to share with others. With the upload option selected, the next step is to click on the Browse button. This allows you to search through your device and locate the specific file you want to send. A little tip here, if your file is particularly large, Google will provide you with the option to add as a link. This feature is specifically designed to handle large file transfers, bypassing attachment limits and making it simple to share without the frustration of size restrictions. Once your file is uploaded to Google Drive, you'll see a link to the file appear in your email. This link acts as a bridge, connecting the recipient to your file quickly and effortlessly. Before hitting send, ensure that you have set the appropriate sharing permissions for your file. You can do this by clicking on the link settings, where you'll have various options to choose from, such as granting viewing, commenting, or editing permissions. Finally, with everything set up and double checked, click send. Your recipient will receive the email with the link to your large file ready to view or download from Google Drive without a hitch. No more worrying about size limitations or server slowdowns. And there you have it, a simple way to send large files using Google Drive, removing the restrictions of traditional email attachments. This is a great tool to have in your digital toolbox, particularly if you frequently work with large media files or documents. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making technology work for you.